I am Nitin Guntuku and I am Data Science and Business Analytics Internet Sparks Foundation. So today I am going to discuss Task-1, that is prediction using supervised machine learning. So the data set I have used is student scores, and the problem statement that I was given was to predict the percentage of based on hours that student studies, and what will be the predicted score if the student studies for 9.25 hours per day. So first I imported the library, that is pandas, numpy, matplotlib, pyplot and cboard. Basically I've used areas, as instead of writing whole word pandas I'll be writing pb, numpy as np and cboard as sns. So next I'm just reading the data. To read the data I've used pd dot read underscore csv, and student underscore is basically my data set in csv format. After reading the data, we can see there are 25 rows and 2 columns, and counting start from 0. Then after I am just fetching the top 5 rows. So in order to fetching 5 rows I used function.head. So as you can see it displays the top 5 rows from our data set. So after that, in order to know the total number of rows and columns, you can use the function.shape. So this shows how many rows and columns we have. We have 25 rows and 2 columns. I just want information from the data. So from that, hours is a kind of a float variable and score is a kind of integer variable. Now after that, I am just visualizing my data. For that I have just used scatter plot. From it says that there is a linear relationship between hours and score. So that means there is a positive correlation. So if the number of hours is increases, score is also increases. Now after that I am just splitting my data into testing and training sets. For training I used 80% of my data, and for testing I used 20% of my data. And after splitting my data I am just training my model using linear regression. So I am just fitting my model into real regressor. Then after I am just going to plot the actual and predicted values, and after the plotting we can see that the train accuracy is 0.94 and the test accuracy is 0.93, which is fairly equal. Then after we come to an end of our task, where it can see that the student who study 9.25 hours is estimated to score 93.89%. Thank you.